Hello to all my subscribers, local and overseas. Hope you have a beautiful Halloween. Let's have a skeleton of fun. Boo! You're the cutest pumpkin in the past. Wishing you a happy Halloween. Keep it real. Have a spectacular time. Eat, drink, and be scary. Ghosts just wanna have fun, have a wicked time. We Good luck to your trick or treating. Keep safe and have fun and enjoy. It is just a bunch of hocus pocus tonight. Halloween is here again. Enjoy and have fun.